Ecom's Quiz. Hello, I'm Aaron, and I'm back with another interesting video on how to list an item on eBay using Hustle Got Real. So, if you are a dropshipper, then this is a very good tool to use. It's non-API, and you just need 2 Google Chrome add-ons. Well, I have a different video on how to set up the full system. I'll put the link on the description below. So once you've logged on to your HGR, Hustle Got Real, there is a tab List Now, and it will show you support suppliers. You can see it's a long list, around 77 suppliers or so. For this example, I've already done the research and I've found an item on amazon.co.uk. Here it is. This is the item. And since I've researched, I know the full details. So what I need to do is, well, as I mentioned earlier, there are 2 add-ons. Those are Google Chrome add-ons. So the first thing you have to check if the first add-on is the Hustle Got Real non-API add-on. Click on it. There are a couple of things you need to make sure. Make sure that it is in the monitoring position here and the shop name shows right here below. Once it's confirmed, you can close it and then click on the next add-on, which is, as I call it, the lister add-on. Click on it and a new tab pops up where it actually pulls up all the details from the page, like the picture, item specifics, category, all these details. And it would be easy for you to list the items. The first thing you notice, just like here, it shows you it's a Vero listing. So you need to cross-check if there aren't any issues, that the brand owner doesn't pull the listing down, or let's say file a complaint or so. I'm gonna just ignore it for a moment. It's good to know that it's been highlighted though. You can see there are 4 tabs. The first is product, then the description, images, and settings. So I'm going to start with the product. As you can see, it's already pulled up the title and each one comes up as a separate keyword. If you want, you can always reshuffle it. It's easy, you can always do it. In this case, I will reshuffle it based on the priority of the keyword. So here, I'm going to put the brand name first, then the next one would be USB, then Wi-Fi, and dongle. It's all good. So it's a nano version. It's easy. You can also see that it has pulled up the barcode. So that's a good thing. The price is there. The profit is shown here. Well, this is a selling price and the markup is 30%. So if you want to increase or decrease, you can always do it. I always recommend that we start with, say, 30, and then once you build up the confidence and if there is not much returns, you can play around with the percentage. Well, this one is for internal purposes. Here, again, it shows up the category, the brand name, all these under settings, and you can set some defaults. And let's go down. This is the main area we have to check. Make sure that you put in as much detail as possible in the optional fields. Well, I will show you how to find those details. You just need to copy a part of the title. Say the brand name, the model number, the details, just the basics. And then you can go to Google search and you can get all the item specifics from Google quite easily. You just have to search for the item and switch to shopping. Just here. Okay, here, this one is a nano version. And see this one, it shows the details there. There are 25 shops selling the same item. We need to click on that. And if you scroll down, you can see the specifications. All the details are here. Well, if you want to view all specifications, you just need to click it and it will expand more. And you can see all the details here for item specifics. And I would recommend it you take some details from this and enter it over here. Now, the second tab is the description. Again, they have a template for it. You can always play around with the template. I like doing it, and what I recommend normally is to use a balanced one, which looks much more nicer and it will integrate to your shop nicely without any special boxes or anything of that such. And it looks much better. So this is a template that will be listed. For the third tab, images, you have to always check and confirm that there are no seller logos or trademarks or anything like that in the image. If there are, well, if there is, you can always remove it. This looks neat, so I'm going to leave it just like that. And the settings, you just kind of leave it. It's nothing much to do there. We've already said it before. And that's it. Now, all you have to do is click submit. And a pop-up will show, well, there is a warning for Vero listings. And I say, I will click OK because I've already checked on the details and I know there are no issues. So it's fine. So now it shows creating listing, and the product will be on your store soon. You can check the listing here. You have to click on My Listings, then click on View Pending Listing. And you can see the item is processing. Give it a few minutes and it will be listed. If there is an error, it will show you. Normally it's quite straightforward, unless it's a restricted category. Then it might show some errors. So this is how you list on Hustle Got Real. Make sure that you keep your computer on, and these add-ons are on all the time, because this keeps monitoring, say, every 90 minutes or so. So it's going to monitor the stock, the price, and change it accordingly. So it's important that you keep it on all the time. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions or comments, we will be more than happy to answer it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.